Section 3.7, example 52, integrating a discontinuous integrand. So we're going to evaluate from 0 to 4. But as you could see, when we plug 4 in, we end up with 0 in the denominator. So we can't have that. So we have to figure out what we could do in order for it to actually work. So what I propose doing is getting up to this edge for when it almost equals 4, but not actually doing that. And we could definitely do that with limits. So we're going to say the limit as b approaches 4 from, is it going to be the left side or the right side? Let's take a look. So from here, we're looking at the integral from 0 to 4. Let's just say this is our graph. So from 0 all the way up to 4, 4 is going to be on the left side. So we're going to integrate on the left side. All right, I like it. So now doing that, we're going from 0 up to b. 1 over the square root of 4 minus x dx. And let's start integrating. So we could do a u substitution. So we're going to let u equal 4 minus x dx, or 4 minus x. Take the derivative. Du is equal to negative x, or negative dx. All over the place today. So let's see. The limit as b approaches 4 from the left of the integral from 0, we could say that's 4 up to b. We could say that's 4 minus b. And we're integrating negative u to the negative 1 over 2 dx. So that's going to be negative times a negative or a positive 1 over 2. U to the 1 over 2, evaluated from 4 all the way to 4 minus b. So negative 1 over 2, we have the square root of 4. Oh, we forgot about the limits. So the limit as b approaches 4 from the left, the limit as b approaches 4 from the left, and lastly, the limit as b approaches 4 from the left. Actually, I don't think we need that last one. Minus the square root of 4 minus b, which 4, we could actually plug in 4 now. So that would be 0. So negative 1 over 2 times the square root of 4 minus 0, or actually 2 minus 0. So this would end up being negative 1. Negative 1. Oh, I see where I messed up. So this shouldn't be 1/2. This should actually be 2. So 2, 2, 2, and this would be negative 4. Ah. Negative 4 or positive 4? Ah, I see it. I mix these up. So going from 4 minus b and forward. All right, so the square root of 4 minus b minus the square root of 4. So this would be 0 minus 2. Negative 2 times negative 2 is a positive 4. All right, much better. So state whether the integral converges or diverges. So it converges to 4. So converges to 4. And there we go. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Otherwise, bye.